Hello, welcome to today's channel. Today I am going to introduce one new website for that instant payout of Insta Cash Market. That it will be easily you can earn minimum $80 to 100 more unlimited dollars. See, this is the withdrawal proof for that one. So today is the 11th January 2092, $83, 89. This everything perfectly instantly pay out that they made. I will give that link in the description. Just click the link and you will get that one link, and you can share that link to minimum of 80 peoples and get the payout instantly through whatever the payment system we have. We can check it out. So this is what we will do. Just you can go to the click. Now that comes to Insta Cashback, that link, copy that link and you can share through your social media network and get that link of minimum. See, after your balance reaches minimum of $80, you can make withdraw to your PayPal account. And so I'm going to introduce. I have right now I have some 68 something. I have 52. I have remaining around 20 something. I need to get some people and I can get that withdraw. So this everything is very perfect. You can see there is no fee, nothing. It will be there absolutely free. See, $80 minimum payout. So these are the payout of actual paid. See, paid everything for each and every seconds they are paying that genuinely. So you can pay what are the system you want to make payment. Just you can check. You can check by PayPal or Google Pay. And even Bitcoin also you can withdraw. That's nothing. It will be very easiest way to payment method. You can check the payment method. See, my net is very slow. That's why I'm getting very. See, what are the payment methods we can? PayPal, Bitcoin, Paytm, Google Pay, bank, even direct bank transfer, and Google Cash, UPI. Even you can pay by UPI also, and street and Skrill pays other. What are the all the methods? It will be everything by instantly you can pay, because if you don't have anything, you can take your bank also. No problem. But everybody is having PayPal or Bitcoin. Even Bitcoin, Bitcoin also you can take it. Even Faucet Pay or blockchain or some trust wallet. So many thing was there. Then easily you can take from them. And Google Pay, everybody is having Google Pay very easily. So you take it from today itself, and only 80 people even sign up. They will give that $10. Sign up, it will be $10. Remaining 70 people only you have to take referral, and you can take it off from that. I will give you one secret method to anybody. I'll just click, and you have the. If you want to secret method, I will tell you, but I cannot tell that frankly in that public. If anything, you just give me a comment, and then I will give that private comment in that very secret method and very tricky method to easily make without any so much referral. So even if you get some 50 referrals, then 30 referrals I will get it easily. Even I will give you the secret, because publicly I cannot tell anything. Please subscribe the channel and do the things, and I will make it a more profitable software. Thank you.